If you're encountering an invalid credentials error on Egnyte, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to quickly resolve the issue. Step 1. Verify username and password. Check that you are entering the correct username and password. Make sure there are no typos and that the caps lock key is not on. Step 2. Reset your password. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Check account status. Ensure that your Egnyte account is active and not locked or suspended. Contact your administrator if you believe there is an issue with your account status. Step 4. Clear browser cache. Sometimes cache data can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try logging in again. Step 5. Try a different browser or device. If the problem persists, attempt to log in using a different web browser or device. This can help determine if the issue is browser-specific. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the invalid credentials error on Egnyte. If the problem continues, consider reaching out to Egnyte support for further assistance.